We used weapons only to defend us, protect ourselves. Protecting our knowledge, our libraries, our manuscripts. Mahanirvani Pita's library was robbed, burnt for months together continuously. Everyone talks about Nalanda library, Dakshashila library, which is Buddhist. But nobody knows about the Mahanirvani Pita's library. Understand? Listen to the truths. Live the truths. A river has to flow over different terrains, and it takes the size and shape of the terrain over which it is flowing, but it retains its originality of being created and filled with water. Hinduism also evolves according to changes, but it retains its essence of completing and completion. Whoever was able to take us to the next cognition, adequate cognition, we were ready to go behind them. We were not uneducated. It's not that people lived in the time of Shankara, they were uneducated. Just because Shankara came, they all simply followed. No. They were highly educated in Buddhism, but they understood Shankara can lead them to a better cognition. They went behind him. When Ramanuja came, it's not that people were uneducated. They were highly educated in the philosophy of Shankara, but they could see Ramanuja can lead them to a higher cognition. So they just went behind Ramanuja. That is why I wanted to tell all the world religious leaders, don't come to our country to convert. If you think my country people are fools, you are wrong. And we are not political game players. In India, this conversion is used more for a political game. My religion, so many people are there, so many vote. It's used like a vote bank. Understand? For vote bank politics it is used. We don't care. We never bothered Mughals ruling us as long as they did not disturb our religious freedom, our spiritual freedom. When this fellow Aurangzeb lost his brain and started breaking our temples and destroying, forcibly converting us, then all our guys just stood up and created the space. Simply the whole Mughal kingdom destroyed, got destroyed. Understand? The one and only way we won the game of life is creating the space. That is why still Hindu Dharma is invincible. I am only afraid of one thing. Now people have started losing faith on creating space. That is the only fear I have. If I can bring people back to that ability to create the right space and trusting the space. That's it. I know nobody can do anything. I am trying to do only one thing. I am not fighting with any religion. I am not against anybody living in any religious concepts. No. I am trying only one thing. I am trying to make Hindus to live Hinduism. That's all.